Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today is a little bit different. First off, Merry Christmas to you all. I thought it would be fun to just share with you what I got for Christmas. So yeah, we'll call this what a vegan gets for Christmas, because I don't get candy, chocolate, things like that, just because, you know, trying to eat healthy and stay on that track there. But anyways, this right here is one thing I got, and it is humongous. I already have one Instant Pot. I actually have the 6-quart Instant Pot, and I think it's about ready to break. I've done dropped the lid on it a couple times, cracked it, whatnot. But let's do an unboxing. This is the Instant Pot Duo, and it's, how many quarts is this one? Yeah, 8 quarts. So this is the big one. There's all kinds of different Instant Pots now. I think they have like small ones. You can do like rice in them, like, but this one is cool. I'm excited to check it out. Might have to just use it today. Ah, they changed the color scheme. It's gray. That's neat. Ooh. It's so shiny and pretty. The one that I have right now is actually the original Instant Pot. When they first came out, they didn't have a lot of options. I know when I got mine. The insert, got that. Also has a trivet in the bottom as well. I think I lost my trivet for mine. I'm gonna have to put this on the floor and take it out. It's big. Ta-da! Got it. So pretty. Ta-da! I'm excited. I had to clean it. I don't know. I might put some potatoes or something in it today. Who knows? Figure out something. Maybe make some rice or make some quinoa. Make a soup. I don't know. Possibilities are endless. You have to comment down below what you got for Christmas. Anything cool, exciting. All right, so this is one gift that I got, and the other one, which I'm really excited about, and I'm excited to kind of keep you all posted in some future upcoming videos. But I got a mushroom kit. How stinking cool is that? Look at this. Shiitake mushrooms, okay? I actually have to soak the log. Oops, and it's broke, but it did say in the instructions it's okay if it's broke. I'm gonna try to lift it and show you here. That's what it looks like. I gotta soak it for a couple hours, and I think it said up to 16 weeks it will harvest. I don't know. Something new I wanted to try. And you guys will have to let me know if you ever done this before. I'm gonna go ahead and soak it, and then you soak it for a couple hours, and then you put it back in the bag. You keep it sealed for the most part with the holes facing up. It creates, these are the holes right here, creates like moisture inside, and it says within 7 days I will be able to start harvesting some of the mushrooms. So I don't know, we'll have to see. It's kind of cool how they do that. That is neat. I'm gonna show you up close. Look at that. Of course mine's broke, but it's okay. It did say that it could possibly break. And then this is the little water bottle that you missed it with. But yeah, leave your comments below if you have any tips or anything like that, because I've never done this before. I had seen it online and I wanted to try it. But well, that is what I got for Christmas. You guys leave in the comments below what you got. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I'm gonna be making a new video here soon. I got a couple recipes that I'm gonna be sharing with you as well. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.